You know what I mean? Alright, so today beating is brought to you by Kida Natural. You know it already. You don't see my face nice and crisp. You see me say, you know why my face is nice and crisp? You see, one time I finish bleaching and thing, at night time before I go to my bed, I make sure all I want Kida Natural. One of the face wash them, you know, all organic, you feel me I did. Me I go tag a link in the bio and description when time I finish. And yeah, you understand me? But yeah, Kida Natural, very good face wash. As you can see, my face clean and pretty down. You understand me? We saw that we was getting really coarse, so we fix it. You understand what I say? So good morning, you understand? And big up Kida Natural. See me, what face wash them ready for your road already. You know what I mean? Put that right there, sir. Get this right here, sir. Hold on, then. I'm going for my lighter so we can warm that. Yes, and do remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel and remember to click the notification bell so as I put up one video on the Q&A. You understand me? I deal with run go over there. Next thing. Hold on there. Shit. Hold on. Somebody comment. Am I alone now seeing a comment? Wait. Somebody comment. No, everybody a comment. Let me see something. Yeah, come. Oh yeah. Una comment. Alright. Pleasant good morning. Probably me not gonna see comment them, but everybody pick up on yourself see me. You understand me? I did. Una subscribe and make sure so you're looking at my description so you can see, you know, everything when I stand for, my cash up, everything in there. You understand me? I remember to click the notification bell. So as I put up a video, when I run come over there, you see me? And yes, me interact with my fans them so you can go so boom, inbox me on the rare. You understand me? I deal with it if you want to donate to the done anything you want. You see me? I say if you want to say hi, if you just want to big me up, me there. See you here. You understand me? I deal with big up on yourself. Let me address one thing with you first, Giegas. Because if I one thing with me, I like to be very clear. You understand me? Before I start telling you which part of man you lick and suck, I like to be very clear about me, myself, Vanice, Samantha Parks. You see what I say? My life is an open book, Giegas. I don't hide nothing. Because in a cases like this now, mama man like all you know, you go search out the whole of my boxers draw them to go find news. Pre. Me pussy God. So you know, me did already make my life a open book because me have one drunk correct so they don't try come make my life a nuisance. So me make sure to tell everybody what a herma for diet means and how me born. And you understand me? It don't have nothing to do with my mental state, but it have a lot to do with my hormones, meaning me juggle the man and woman hormones cause through me born that way there. We not have to clarify that because we have a whole article on that. Same way you can find it on Google, everybody can go find it. That's what type in my name. Watch it now. You see the vlogger that I am, I find topics like you and I shed the real light on them. That is my job. When me come on here for something never like me, wasn't a good looking youth. Now me stay good and real nice. You can see some look of vlogging money at work for me. You understand me? I did find a little cat to take care of me, my father. You understand me? Yeah. My life is a open book, as I said before. I had a one altercation with my wife and I land in jail. I never put my hand on my wife again. I'm living better now, almost 2 years now. Me and my wife moving our own little crib. We are chill and we are vibe. And you know, yeah, everybody make a little one mistake when I find it. Remember people, domestic violence is a no for you done. You understand me? I deal with everybody make a one mistake. Everybody see how I love my wife and thing. My wife and me all. Me pride, me joy, me everything. My wife is that, me boo, me thing, me my baby. Me boo that. You can't reason with me. Come here, you know. Davine. Right, her name, yes, sir. So same time like how we clarify that now, we are going to talk about you a manipulating pussy. You is a manipulating, feelings carrying bitch. You now do nothing for the betterment of Jamaica nor the pitney them. You not do it for the betterment of Jamaica pitney them. You don't give a flying fuck about Jamaica in blood clot pitney them. Me have how much different scenario with you showing say you is just a manipulating bitch. All you good for, you know say you look a career done now, nobody now listen to you look a fenke blood clot song them. So you get to stay relevant because you feel like say you can go get couple topics out there. And the topics you get, make a reason where you get, really. You and Bounty Killer have an ongoing thing from when you in a Peter King video. You know remember the tape? DYC also released the tape because I don't found a batty boy did up on the tape like you, Gigas. Remember say you use the Edzai money to help bury that tape there, you and the rest of them who used to go up a blood clot Peter King mansion go suck off wood. Remember you know? You have a vendetta against Bounty Killer from them time there. When time Bounty Killer come on the stage and say, move up Gigas. Remember say the man them beat you Gigas. You're a regular beating stick in a dancer because nobody not rate you. Remember, you know? And the reason we not argue, we are talking about truth. You know? Remember, you know, one time Bounty Killer diss you and discriminate you and call you Gigas. That's why you your name to this day. Because you did up a Peter King mansion. Remember the whole tape on the whole say, yo, more and more who did the on the tape. But you didn't move away through, you know, see you did on the blood clot tape and nobody in a dance hall narrate you from them time there. Pussy member say, I know you can't come in a dance hall because see nobody want to do no feature with you. Y'all highlight Vybz Kartel. Remember say Vybz Kartel. Remember say Grunga that man father. Remember say a Grunga that me G. You see me I say? Remember say nobody no rate you Vegas and I go where you go round your daddy. You understand? So you come over here saying now we look a vlogging thing now pussy you can try make a difference. When I had the same youth, we get your face bust up by the little girl. Uncle, when time you shoot 9mm in a girl mouth. Oh, you if you come talk about Bounty Killer of a 15-year-old baby mother. When time you push your gun in a 15-year-old girl mouth. And the same scare we have in your face, you need for reason with your little idiot. Fenke, dirty blood clot, common law, bumbuckler fans them we have this so. Because common law will be right and because you not married. You dirty Gigas, remember say you are the same one. You can't tell nobody about mental health because you blood clot mentally not stable. You are the same one who come out in the media Gigas can tell people about your name Sobia, you God. Remember that pussy me now, no boy we have blue and flesh can't tell me nothing about God. Oh, you look donation for blood clot church. You try to manipulate Jamaicans so many times with so many different tricks and bumbuckler trade like your matches box. You see me I do everything you come with, you realize say your views and stop come, so you jump on something else. Then you go, cause you try vlog now. You put out the little song them on YouTube, one little 15,000 views, one little 20,000 views, one little 30,000 views, because these are nobody. As a bumbuckler dancehall artist, boy, you rape children. What kind of children you rape with that? The little bumbuckler Yankee girl come to Jamaica, and you get fucking called up in a command law because you fuck off a little girl. Weak to Yankee pussy. You wait to Yankee girl pussy. The little girl couldn't even blow off. You need to call up on the wall and spend on the look of money them and bury them blood clot thing there. Remember so the name call everywhere. So when you go call Bounty Killer name alone, pussy you have to call for your name alone, my boy. And you can't use none of your tape them. None of me tape them sink me. Remember me have a blood clot hard copy. Anything when me say it on my bumbuckler YouTube. You hear me I tell you? The only reason why you in a blood clot tanglements with blood clot girly. Remember so one time the player they didn't go and need a bumbuckler security. And in the same room, I touch blood clot girly breast them talk about if them are real. But oh yeah man, them are real, Remember, you fungal the bumbo clot man. The same bumbo clot man we are called pedophile. You when name a call up in a bumbo clot, little pitney fucking all of a sudden you have bumbo clot interest in Jamaican children. I manipulate the crowd just so you can get some blood clot views youth. You not get no views on YouTube, you not read. The amount of time you come out here saying on social media, we don't even know what the fuck you stand for. Because at the end of the day, you didn't come, you say, yeah, God, you build one temple for the whole of your followers them. Because a cult, you try blood clot, Bill boy. You try be just like a big belly man we get too much in gunshot in and bomb buckler at a yard there. Because you not try use this God thing to manipulate the crowd. And when you say you couldn't use God and manipulate the crowd, what you do? You come, all of a sudden you care about Jamaican children. All of a sudden the children matter. All of a sudden pedo. All of a sudden pedo. Because you use it for your own again. You don't give a fuck about Jamaica, pitney them. You don't give a fuck about Jamaica. You don't give a fuck about none of that. You just try to stay relevant because your music career down in the fucking toilet. Your music career is in the fucking toilet. It's a ashes. Right now, every little song where you put out, now get no more than 130,000 views. Nobody no recognize you no more as a blood clot dancehall artist because you come as one big blood clot sissy on the internet. Every bumbo clot day you look. Every fucking minute you look, this is you. One different this. You come like say, you are cost me, send me a lower life. Oh, you look, you know, me see your job. Me and you do see your fucking job. Every day you get up and chat, is a fucking lower life like me fucking self, yeah. Me certain you know make more money out of vlogging than me, boy. Me I tell you that. Don't blood clot rare. You can't go take up all of the video them from one time in the black and the rare. But pussy notice now. Say that the vlogging money that work and for you now blood clot work. Because what do you have vlogging in your house and in the bumbo clot echo like you live in a one tomb or one bumbo clot cave. So me know why you come up and tell people about oh all of a sudden you care about children. You don't care about nobody but yourself. All you care about is yourself. Me can reason about blood clotting. Because me is a Jamaican pitney who can tell us say I was preyed on. I was fucked on against my bumbo clot will. Me, enough time you have to escape enough out of blood clot Jamaican boy. This have nothing to do with me being a lesbian or nothing. This year before me can even think about blood clot fuckings. You see me I deal with, if you say, oh, me want to fuck me, daddy. You hear me I tell you no, enough of blood clot, oh no. From your 12-year-old me in a court. I deal with blood clot, oh no. The first boy me put out was weedy, me can't forget boy. Pussy hole weedy. So what do you hear all this big black stinking pussy hole you come attack? You know nothing about pedophilia boy, you think you know if you do a fuck pitney. You fuck girl against them blood clot will boy. You fuck girl under blood clot age. 16-year-old push your gun in a 15-year-old mouth. But me can't talk about blood clot pedophiles because me suffer the blood clot hands on. You hear me I tell you? At 12-year-old me tremble like a leaf. In a blood clot coat ask me mama. You see me? And me have to look and feel me blood clot predator in my face. After him push me down underneath one blood clot apple tree. Mash up my back pan vine. Monday, Tuesday draws. It was a Sunday, so me have on the Sunday one and in tear off that. And me bite him and me scream because me never business if me don't get stabbed. So you see when me talk about pedophiles, me I talk off a blood clot experience because me go in a court go look and feel me. Many times after that, me get blood clot hold down and blood clot rare. Me talk off a experience. Me talk about people like you, Gigas. You don't have no blood clot room for talk. You don't give a fuck about we. When you did ever give a fuck about we. No? You know, you see one look 1 and 2 things I get viral and I jump on it. Jump on what? Jump on what pussy? Me live that. Me live that. Me live going to sleep. Remember how blood clot weed kidnapped me out of my grandmama yard and shoved me around in the darkness and tell and me feel him cocky brace upon me. Them the time they me have pebble upon my chestnut breast. Them the time they have pebble me up on my blood clot. Just so what you mean by you can't reason? Oh, you have a reason. One time you are the same one you calling a carnal abuse. One time you are 12. We there 20-year-old. And him find it, him gonna make me know, ask me at 12 if me have a boyfriend, how much time me fuck already. As him have one knife a pint up in my back. Hand from my mouth, me have to walk. And him bust off the drawers and he shove me down the ground and me say me not take the fuck. Me say me not take the fuck, so one time me say me know a girl pick me and go through me know. Me, Vanessa Samantha Parks, no. I know what it feels like to be held down, raped, pussy taken against your will. Me war for me whole. Me war for me pussy. Enough girl can't war for their whole. Me say me rather dead before me make one fuck me. So when time me talk off a bumbuckler experience because me, remember me tremble in a court. When me see weedy coming in a court, me tremble. Me remember what him do to me. You see me I say? Me remember. So at the end of the day, when time me hear someone now come do this reviews, pussy, it hurt me. Cause now no blood clot care big black ugly pussy hole boy. I wanna say I'm one hole me down bamba hole. So when time me so not talk pussy wanna make it easy for me. Wanna make me hard for listen to no bamba hole. Me now listen to no. Cause remember say the same hands like your one pussy. Hold me down and chew me under one blood clot. Happy tree and what time my back blister up. I want to then check if you fuck me and then no, you never fuck me because I war for my blood clot hole. I know you're not from blood clot hole. All of the girls them feel the way how me feel and just because them know how it feel to suffer from the hands of man like Gigas. Uno pray upon blood clot look a girl. We breast then can't even grow in bumbo clot piece. As we bleed the first fucking time when the cocky start jump like a bunny. Cause everything funny for no boy. Somehow you want me say ridicule and deal with woman like shit. How the fuck wanna get space for talk Gigas? Want to the little girl mouth to you shove the gun in your face, bust up because of it. How you have space for come talk, for come beg for blood clot, pitney chew no fuck and get you now. You all of a sudden have some sympathy for it. What kind of sympathy? We grew hurt, pussy. You see all of we want trouble. I want to hold on and rape and beat. We grew up troubled and hungry. No, again, make me angry. Oh no, make me blood clot angry. Oh no, we ridicule and hold on and rape pussy. Oh no, make me angry. Me being gay have nothing to do with angry, bitch. Bitch, what you talking about, nigga? Oh, me boy never have nothing to do with blood clot, me being angry. I wanna turn me in a blood clot demon. I wanna turn me in anything when me turn in. Because make me tell you, wanna never give me a blood clot chance to ripe. Pussy hole. Wanna never give me a reason to grow up, for want to be something in a life because I wanna throw down blood clot things for what we never need early. So how you get blood clot opportunity to talk? Wanna look a career them now working on music no more. Wanna fuck out and ridicule and disgrace and humiliate woman and all of a sudden wanna want blood clot talk about children. When wanna blood clot manipulate and hurt and beat and rape so much woman, wanna not no room for talk. Wanna not no room for talk. You see me I say youth? So when you hear me talk about blood clot getting hold down and red, bitch ass nigga. You read about that, me live that so good. Me live that. Many different times me live it. Me not gonna talk the whole of my story them. I'm gonna suffer the hands of Uno every time. A Yankee never hold me down yet. A Kittisha never hold me down yet. A Trini never hold me down yet. A BME never hold me down yet. So me, yes! Me I go ridicule on a dirty Jamaican man because a Uno did hold me down. And I'm not been a hold down people, I'm still a hold down people. So when me hear someone on a dirty Jamaican man like a stinking Gigas come attack, bitch ass nigga take your news and shove it up where your bumbuckler shit. Bitch! What the fuck you talking about? One time you are the same one who I look for 16-year-old and I fuck them off you like a bumbuckler. No carnal abuse in him calling her. What is carnal abuse? Fucking children! Eh? Boss say look a girl give your pussy. So a carnal abuse? No. A carnal abuse. You're attracted to children too. Me feel it. For every woman will get blood clot, hurt and molested. It change your life in a different way, pussy. We life change. Some of we life change for worse. Me done did born as a hermaphrodite already. Plus all of them they hurt there. All of them they ridicule there. All of them they shame there. You have to go down and you have to question yourself. If nobody ever want you, plus me have you to deal with. Me bamba clad. How you get opportunity to talk? Give somebody else that the room, the pussy hole. Make you advocate for them. Because I am one of them. As dirty and as this and rare want to call me, I am one of them. I am child abuse. Because I was abused. You see what I say? My mother did happy. Wait for me at work for the Portland bus, they let me off. And she checked my vagina and bring me to the hospital. And they realized I'm never successful for fuck me. So when I talk about child abuse, I am child abuse, boy. Someone not talk of how to sit, someone who fuck off pitney. You don't know what it feel like to live, to sleep, knowing so on the earth we already. You know, you ever see have sleepless night yet? But that pussy hole, eh? You never have no sleepless night about it yet. When me advocate, me can advocate for my own because you know I live that. Me go through that, me feel that. Me breathe that. Me know that. So when I hear someone do this for views, I confuse me. Are you dumb? Huh? You stupid. You fool. Because the only... No. When you see someone look at dancehall career now, remember who no did that tell girl for one drop. And this and that and skin out in a dance floor and rare. I went and the girl and come skin out pound and see a man come fuck them. So no, when your career wash up like the plate them in your sink. You want to advocate for children? Nigga go advocate to Jesus and repent. But all of the fucker them what you do. Big careless dirty man. I try to manipulate people to believe say you care. Which part of you care? You don't care? Someone that start feel one way trying to start get one look 1 and 2 girl pitney. How much people girl pitney on the earth already? How much people girl pitney family here to know? Enough. So now, me have to wonder, one time when I say I want to do it, what I do it for? What I do it for? What you do it for? You don't do it for fucking nothing more than yourself. Because you look at music, they not get the fucking views from YouTube. I get more views on YouTube than you, nigga. Me. For the year, me I go up at least from 3 million views on YouTube. Of course. I will never be a low life, because you know why? You see what I mean? To get my chance to get a platform, I used it. Me use it and come conquer some topic. Enough people say I'm very disrespectful, some say my mouth too dirty. But me execute every topic and I execute that shit good. Because me start off an experience and I know how no. Jamaican men, me know how no. Everybody know how no. You understand? So what I'm here all one more like all you know, Gigas. Come and try advocate. You don't have nothing for advocate, boy. When you were the same one who hurt women, you know push gun in a girl mouth. Now you see a man fuck off the little Yankee girl. Sir, fuck you. Feel me? Yeah, bro. Fuck you, nigga. Yeah. That's how I feel about that. Feel me? Bitch ass nigga. Stupid bitch. That's disrespectful as fuck. You feel me? That's fucking disrespectful. You feel me? Yeah. So yeah, that's what I mean y'all talk. Me look into it and I say, what do you really speak for? Do you speak off of hurt? Do you speak off of experience? What do you really speak for? You not speak for some views? Because you're not relevant now, so you try to be relevant everywhere. So anybody who against you, you post them picture. Oh, look, because you a sissy. You a bitch. That's what hoes do. You a whore. You feel me? You see bitches? Bitches do what bitches do. Go to other page, yeah. I'm going to find one picture with a blood clot, girl, yeah. Drop it up on my page. Liberty. Liberty. Yeah, because you're a girl. You know they yourself to defend no pitney. You know yourself to go get some views for yourself, because you don't have none. What, you got 600 people on the live? 400? The best you'll do is 600. Because no one gives a fuck. Everyone see it through you, nigga. They see through you, bitch. You know what them do? Them sit through you. Them say, yo, I want everybody to really care. No, it's everybody to look views. You see one time you see views come back up little. You see come off a topic. Then you see what time views gone back down. You see come back up start care, brother. You're a manipulating narcissist. Me see that. Me don't care what nobody else wants to me see it. Me know say you're a narcissist. You're a narcissistic piece of shit. You feel me? So one time I see you go cut all my video, then one time I tell them, say, you usher him out. Get up every day now, you want to do topic. You never see me come in our studio yet. You never see me in there. Come in and need to come over your craft. So you see one time I see you come over my craft, me clot in your face. Me show you what it means to come over your come vlog. Pussy take wound. You see me I deal with? Couple tab in your side. Well, fuck up your insides, nigga. You see me I deal with? Can you try manipulate the crowd and a country? Yeah man, me have to go link on the sensitive side, you know? Because you know, say everybody care about the children them. Friends start talking about the people them. Everybody go on, you know? Everybody they over your page, you know? So now me can start have one little talk show like Lava, you know? Feel like a relevance because you know, from once we start have a talk show, your people start to come over them and music are go start sell again. Nigga, you a narcissist. You a manipulating narcissist. I'm a sit up. The whole crowd that see it right now. Say you gonna do this for yourself. Who wants to see some real people who care about the abuse of children because I live it and I know it. And I hate for know so whole heap of little girls still I live it. And it fuck up and the system now make a headway for try to make it different for them. You not try to attack the system about it. You come every day boy you try to bring down people. You want to attack the pedophile. What you can do? You can't do a fucking thing. If you did really want to do this, you would have come. Me not talk about you look a fuck repetition. Cause all that reach in a parliament, they still a put that and shit on that way down in a pile of one sitting. Fuck you, nigga. You don't bring no weight, nigga. You got 2.8 million people at Jamaica. You got 5 measly thousand little dumbass niggas who follow you to sign a stupid petition. You, where you feel like said that I go do a parliament? You should attack it better. You know, say you have money and how much you in power. Attack it different. No, people you come to bring down. You don't come yourself to bring down for help them children, yeah? You don't know nothing about blood clot, pedophilia more than you use to fuck pitney and call it carnal abuse. True now, blood clot, Jamaica 16 consent come in, you feel like you're free for talk. True blood clot, Peter King gone now, dead now. You feel like you can't get room for talk like people in the remember say Peter King used to fuck you and you're there on the tape too. And you pay your little exile money to help keep it down you and the rest of freak them when you there on the blood clot tape. You see what I say? Remember man, Peter King have your revolt on tape. Fuck you like dog. All of us remember. Remember, so you want to cancel DYCR to DYCR, so release the tape. But now you want to release people, go release your bumbleclot body tape. You say you want to bring down people, you come in a social media, you take up with Batanti. Wait till you see Bashanti, I say with the blood clot do Bashanti. You and this big blood clot, long time frothy mouth, batty man. But to get up and bring down people as two big careless long time blood clot batty man. You are going to take up with Batty Company because you're comfortable. That's your skin. You're comfortable in your bumbleclot skin. You're nice in your skin. Your skin feel good. You feel fucking lovely. What you really are doing for? So you look at music now sell? You look at views and get low up on fucking YouTube? People who go over there go view you look at song them. Some can shut the fuck up. So people who really want to help them children here can help them blood clot children here. People who really sister Jamaica children need help. Like some of the abused women that are powerful now can come and start an organization. Not no bumbleclot petition or organization for blood clot women that was troubled, abused, raped. None of them blood clot facility in Jamaica. How about you come up with one of that? Pussy hole. All you have to do is look blood clot views. If you want to do something about it, do it. And stop chat off your blood clot mouth. Have you used it there, so look. And not try to bring down anybody when you're on your blood clot ship. But remember, pussy hole. Me know one of them regular one the way underneath your blood clot. Look a post at about and you can post them pussy hole me beat boy if you're living. Me, I want to slave master the wrong door I want to be. All out to look a wrong door and peep through curtain pussy hole. Me I want a personal whip. Me do this for a living, boy. So when you post, me just come out and come kick out your dentures them all, boy. Because you could have been my father, you know, boy. You there start coming and tussling with me, you could have been my father in a long seed grey front, boy. Pussy hole, you have to know that. Me beat boy for 11. And when I beat you, boy, I catch your bumbleclot and just conk you up in your little almost shine bumbleclot head. With your little pussy clan lebe mouth. Your mouth big and broad like 2 slices of bread. Not even one. Batty boy. You look unscrupulous being from outer space. All of a sudden, you're going to place you circulate up on social media. Because we not see you on a billboard. We not see you on a top 10. We not see you nowhere. And this alone you can circulate. You come like one poop. As you poop and smell you gone bumbo hole. Move your bumbo clad gigas. And go find somebody, make them shit in your blood clot, manage your day to our mouth. Your mouth coming like manage it to her. I be you look at freaky things going in your pelvis. Dirty boy. You come over here, so boy, you walk on trouble little rubber for that. And me tell you, batty boy. And not even you, me tell the whole world like you gonna scrape it up like the shit you are. You go scrape you up, you go Google the top shatter. Because the top shatter, they all both, the general. You go and you scoop out all my YouTube and you realize all my YouTube greater than your one. Pussy hole, because you stop keep from 1992. Heads high. Kill everybody know you want somebody kicking in your pussy clot, bow up mouth, batty boy. Low out the pit me argument to go search for your hit song. Because you don't want to pay one songwriter for write your good blood clot song. So you come for you can turn blood clot nuisance to the people. You look a shit carrier, you come like crab. Dirty blood clot crab. You fight down Mr. Handsome after you used to feel up him and breast in a blood clot play. When tell you that security boy, move sicky and go suck your bumbo clot granny titty. Batty boy. You come like one look of fish. Everybody have a problem with. You and ladies sir, Missy Mama saw God in a church, Mama saw you have problem with. Everybody where you not agree with your fuckery, as long as from back in the day you and them did have sitting, you come now with your look of fuckery. All bounty killer, you man call you Gigas for a long time there. You come and trouble him man. Pussy! Go suck out your mama and go for a man. Bumbo hole idiot boy. But you want catch you. You see why you can't get blood clot Jamaica? Wait till killer catch you. Wait till blood clot killer catch you. Killer got mad. You see baby? Where you going? You want to work? Text from you.
Yeah.
Huh? What you say, baby? Yeah. Okay, baby. It's that Gigas. Love that name, you know. This is what love is supposed to be. You see how I call me vlog? My vlog, this is my job. You know, you see me I say? Me supposed to do this. Me have no low life, me have my job. Me just take it up as a job. Me get the platform and me take it up to voice my opinion and topics so me realize enough how to sweep under the carpet. Enough how to manipulate people if you think you don't care. When you know so you don't work more than a light beer. Pussy hole. Go from yourself. You see me I say? No more manipulating of the people them. Cause Gigas, you are one of them where I shoot gun in a little pitney mouth, girl at 15, the girl uncle have beat you like a church jump. Beat you, pengelengelengelengeleng, telengelengelengeleng, bust up your blood clad face. So you have to hold your heads high, bust up your face now. Everybody have to see scar in your blood clad face for when you should be gone in a the 15-year-old girl mouth where you did a fuck. So now, you just want to take up with bumbo clad killer alone. You feel blood clad get perish under there too. You want to do your thing, them and hide. No more hiding that day as a fear one drop. Usher him out, not today. Usher him out, me say one time. Me say, yes, Mr. Jacob, take his mic. Usher him out. Take his mic. Remember saying you own a country. Mr. Jenkins come down there. Take his mic. Usher him out. Take his mic. Usher him out. Can you never understand that be a fuckery? Fuckery long so to bumbleclaw like a spear in a fishing ground. And the man say take him bumbleclaw mic and the man in chuck you up in your own country. Nothing you couldn't blood clot though. But why make you never go post Mr. Jenkins? Because man have more views than you, not true? Pussy, you can't give me no views because none of your life they not like see me. No time. Because me will come here to execute the truth and bust out your blood clot head for you. You look a blood clot carnal abuse fucker you. You jankro. Move your carnal abuse self right here so I'm going to find somebody else with some credible blood clot caring because we don't believe yours. We don't believe you're caring. Because you can't just up and care about Pitney all of a sudden so. Take him, Mike. Usher him out. Usher him out. Take his mic. Usher him out. Take his mic. Usher him out. Usher out him bumbuck like I don't believe that. Your heart not pure. Your heart not prove it to me. This is views. You don't give a fuck about the Pitney them. All you come up with a petition, you don't have no organization to come up with. I think you care enough if you start an organization. You don't care if you start a petition. Any fucking idiot can get up and start a blood clot petition. What the petition are going to go? You want somebody to take a blood clot apply, not even apply a 2 before or a 4 before and give you 1 blood clot across your head corner. Flatter you like a blood clot hag. Flatter you like a blood clot hag. One of that you want in your fucking neck back. One of that you want in your neck back. You junker rascal you. Hey! Remember, subscribe to my YouTube channel, you understand? And remember my birthday party, Miramar, Florida. I'm going to get to the tickets for Eventbrite right now. Them are going to cheap. You see me? I say, the link there on my page, and I go up on the page, I want to make sure it's a Florida, on the link up on the day Florida, on the Africa on my party. Show me some support. You see party when me at talk, I just if you rate me more in there. You understand me? I can't bother with the animosity and the foolishness. High security there, all police are going out of the gate. So if I don't want to start fucking that between you and the police, them. You see me? I say, so yeah, I remember December the 17th, I go up on my page, and name Dirty 30, then I turn 30, and come support me. I love on daddy. See